quick tip what to do if in your Windows 10 you lose this option. As now, as you see, I have this new, but for some days I lost this function and there was nothing to create. Let's make some folder and open it, and in this folder I had also no option for new things. So I searched for internet and there is a lot of street foods that say you download zip file or change your registry data. There is no need to do that, and you will get malware, spyware, and your computer, your PC will not turn on. So take care about your security. What you see here is a key that you have to add to root directory, background, shellx in this directory. In internet you will see that they add it to folder directory in classes root, but that doesn't work. So don't do that. Don't also do that before checking this original. I show you support Microsoft. It's in German here, but you also have English version. You can just go there, and the thing is, just see this. You just have to add also these brackets. Without that brackets that will not work. Just copy all this, go to this directory, as you see, and I made it also in big version. I will not add copy paste in description because it's very sensitive for your PC. Just check everything that you see. Here you go, just pause and you can see it. If the small version hard to see, but the official site is also so. Just go to key classes. You have to press Windows R button and write regedit, and on it right press and run as administrator, and then go to this place directory, you see, and there you will create new option. I show you it a moment. We go to regedit, registry editor. It's something like this. Turn it to other screen. So you will see something like that. As you see, you go here to key classes root directory, background, shellx, and then go down to this directory, background, as you see, shellx. Here on this context, press the right button of your mouse and make new key file. You press that new key file, it will create new, it will create something this, and here just delete this ds1 and you will get this key 1. I just need to delete this because I already made it. Took a lot of hours. So in this new which you create, you will see default value, and here is that key. You need to have that creating folder, show creating new text documents option. When you double click left button, this will open edit string. When you create new key, it will be empty here, so you have to just write or copy this here and then OK, and then just make it exit. Again, please don't download any zip or RAR files, which will change also other things in your registry, and then you will cry that why your PC doesn't open or where you have that Trojans or malware. You can also just write in search this, just writing on search bar, and it will open it in your local language. So to be sure that that's not any malware or any damaging damaging link. So as you see, you can do this also in Windows 11. I don't know why that happened, but without that it's really pain. See, just imagine you make something and you are missing this button here, and with this button life is more easier. So have fun.